2020 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. Really nice truck. And well, we got something special on this one for you guys and girls. Got factory converters, and they don't come in the 2020s. They don't come with the third converter. So guess what? We can true dual it all the way back and back and back and back, and then we can go forward again, all the way forward, just like that. So as you guys can see, it's true dual into 3.5 inch by 18 or by 12s, sorry, tips right there, angle cut. So it came out really beautiful. If you guys say otherwise, please leave it in the comments. Let us know what you guys think of the sound in the comments. Appreciate it. Hope you guys like it, and hit that subscribe button. All right guys, we got something special for you guys on this one. 2012 Ram 1500 4x4 lifted HEMI. What we got done on it for you guys, I think you can see. True duals. We love true duals. There's the stock converters there and there. You usually wise into a single here, and they go single all the way back, then back dual. We cut it off and true dualed it all the way back. Look at them beautiful welds into his existing tailpipes. There and there. Then we left the resonators on because he doesn't want it obnoxiously loud, but it will be because it's true dualed. There's the 2 resonators, and then 3-inch tips or 3.5 inch tips. He's gonna come back. We're gonna put 6-inch tips on it and take those resonators off. That's the next step. But for now, that's how you true dual them. Let us know what you guys think. I think it's gonna sound phenomenal. Let us know what you guys think in the comments, and hit that like and subscribe button, please. Thank you. 2010 Ford F-150 Lariat 5.4 liter V8. Got factory converters there and there. Then we true dualed it with 2-inch pipe all the way back. He wants it to clap right there, and then into 2.25 tailpipes right there and right there. And then 6-inch rolled tips right there and right there. That's how you true dual them, boys and girls. Hope you guys like it. I'll let you guys hear in a second. Sound decibels. That sounds sick. We cut all that stuff off all the time. Sierra. Sound decibels, go ahead. Again. Nice. Yeah, you need them, dude. Take those resonators off, it'll raise it up another probably 20-30%. Still sounds good though. Yeah, especially with that bumper, it needs to be out the sides. You're right. Hate to be the one that hits that. Damn. That sounds good. Is the decibels on it? Go ahead. About 110. That's loud. That sounds good. It looks good too. Ram. True dual. Oh yeah, man. That sounds good. Let us know what you guys think. Hit that like button.